Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Rebecca. If you're new here, I would love you to subscribe and stick around. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload new content. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Christmas cocktail called a Mistletoe Martini. I've played with the recipe a bit and I think I've come up with a winner with this one. It's both beautiful looking and it tastes very good. I will put a warning, it is pretty much pure alcohol, so if you are a lightweight, caution, maybe just have one. Also, I'm going to put an alternative recipe down below in the description box. If you don't want something so heavy in alcohol content, I changed up the ingredients a little bit. So I will put the regular recipe and an alternate version of that recipe, but if you're a Manhattan girl like I am, you're gonna like this one. All right, here are all the ingredients that you're going to need to make this cocktail. So we've got vodka, cherry brandy, and then also a lime. I did put some ice in my shaker, and then for garnish we're going to use raspberries and rosemary. If you have a martini glass, we'll use that for this drink. If not, you can put it at any glass that you have. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take 2 shots of vodka. And then 2 shots of cherry brandy. This recipe is for 1 drink. Then you're going to take the juice of half of a lime. You're going to pour that directly into your drink. And then you're going to give it a shake. You're going to take your martini glass or whatever glass you're using. And then to garnish, because you want it to look like mistletoe, you're going to take a sprig of rosemary and then just pierce it through a raspberry. And then another one. So you want to put 2 on, so it kind of looks a little bit like mistletoe. Then you're just going to lay it across your cocktail. And there you have it. Your Mistletoe Martini. This drink is so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do try it, please leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and the next drink that we're going to be doing is a twist on a champagne cocktail, so I hope you guys enjoy that one as well, and that's going to be just in time for the new year. Alright, see you guys next time.